Okay, so I got part A and part B. Quick setting, like a 5-minute epoxy. I'm gonna need a bunch of it. So I'm just gonna blob it on. I'm just using an old beverage cup. Yeah, maybe I don't need that much actually. Now that I think about it. It's fine. Maybe I can make a sculpture or something with it. I'm done. So let's see. Okay, now that we've got it dumped, we're going to do some mixing. We just need to get both parts evenly swirled. Okay, so get a grip on this, swish it around. Keep in mind you don't want to mix too much up because you only have a few minutes to apply it before it starts getting weird. All right, so that looks good. Okay, so let the smearing begin. Just going to gather it up. And this actually cracked on this other side. I'm going to make sure I get a little extra on that. Hold it together. Other side's going to look a lot like that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to coat the nails. And the surfaces. So remember the stained side up. All right, it's fitted. Let me readjust here. So I was going to say about these, I don't know, I saw some YouTube videos where people were saying that maybe these parallel clamps aren't a great investment for people. Uh-oh, I got some epoxy on that. So, that's not great. All right, last clamp. Yeah, for furniture, these clamps are great. I mean, I've had some run-ins with the little Revos being kind of sticky compared to their big brothers and sisters. But with these plastic pads built in that protect the surface you're working on there, it's super helpful. Just have to make sure I'm getting this flattened in the right place. All right, time to pull the clamps off and see if that drawer still works. I'm going to leave the hide glue patch. I'm going to leave that till tomorrow. Make sure it has plenty of time to cure. So there's the clamps. It's almost my face plant. So all right, yeah, we got a comfortable almost 1/8 of an inch all the way along. So it's epoxy, it's not fastened, so what I'm going to do is probably drive some tiny nails if I can find my nail kit. So yeah, I'll probably save that, and I'm going to flip this gonna flip it right now. Scratch that laminate top. I've done that before. Extra dumb. Come on. So now I've got to twist it. And it doesn't look like this edge is as bad as the other one. Amazing video, I know. Absolutely scintillating, I'm sure. If you ever have to pick one of these up, kind of use your legs for leverage. Oh, man. Woo. All right. I'm going to warm up the hide glue. And, you know, use a couple drops in that corner, but otherwise, it's mostly here, which is good news. There's a little bit of quick and thick, I think. So, yeah, let me show you this stuff up close.